How to see what Instagram reels your friends liked. In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool feature that Instagram gives us where we can see all the reels that our friends have liked. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Instagram app, then navigate to the Reels section. Then at the top, you'll see Reels, and then you'll see Friends, select Friends. And when you select that, you can swipe through and you'll see the Reels that your friends have liked. Down here in the bottom left, above the actual creator of the reel, you'll see the profile picture of the friend that liked that reel. So as you swipe through, you'll see different friends show up, and those were the friends that liked those reels. Now, if friends is missing, all you need to do is select the little menu button in the top right here. This will bring you to your algorithm, and then select the three dots in the top right, select more content preferences, and then at the bottom, you'll see hide all activity bubbles in feed and reels. If you have that turned on, that will stop you from seeing which friend liked the reels that you're watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.